Welcome back everyone. I've got Mum here. She's going to put some chops on the shelf. So we'll see how many we can fit on there. Now they're pretty thick chops. They're pretty thick. We might not fit 4, we'll fit 3. She's trying to fit all 4. Okay, we'll fit all 4 just. Okay, so we'll just go around the side here. You can put that in the middle. So she's alright. So we'll put that in the middle. There you go. Okay, so that's in there now. Alright, thanks Mum. So now we'll close the oven up. So we turn the power on. Now I think we press the menu key. Menu button I should say. Okay, it's telling us flushing, so we're on meat now, 25. Temperature we want it at 180. And we start. Okay, so we're starting at 180 at 25 minutes, as you can see there. Now we can stop it at any stage by opening the door. So we've got our pork chops in the oven at the moment, cooking. So we'll come back in about 20-25 minutes and see how we're going. Just turned off. Mum's got a plate there. We're going to take everything out. So you can open it up, Mum. That's it. Open it. That's it. Now, don't burn yourself. Okay, that's the pork chops. So, yeah, putting it on the plate. So we're just going to see what they look like. Cooked? No? We're going to turn it over a bit and put a bit more on the other side. Okay. So they golden brown on the top, but the bottom is still not raw, but they're not cooked yet. So we're going to just flip them over. Maybe another 10 minutes. What do you think? Another 5 or 10 minutes?
Yes, a little.
What?
10 minutes.
10 minutes? Okay, so we'll put it on for another 10 minutes. 10 minutes are over. Mum's just about to take them out, so you can take them out, Mum. So just grab them. That's it. So she's putting them on a plate there. So they look like they're cooked.
Yeah.
Yeah, cooked on both sides.
Alright.
Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, nice and crispy on both sides. Pork chops. Oh, they smell nice. Now in a bowl there we've got potatoes. So we're just going to put them on the tray there. So she's coated them in a bit of oil. Okay, let them drip. You can see the tray there inside the oven with all the fat from the pork chops. So we're putting them in, so I'll get it out of the way.
Sun.
Yep, that's it, put them in the middle, that's it.
How long?
How long? It says 15 minutes at 200, so we'll close this up. So we'll press the power on button, press the mode. Yep. So 15 minutes, it's already on chips. So temperature at 200, it's already set, and it's already set at 15 minutes. So we just press start, I think. Was that it? Yep. How do we press start? There you go. That's it. So 15 minutes at 200. So that's for chips. I was going to use the rotating basket, but another time, because this is the first time we were using it. Now we might check on them after about 10 minutes and just shake them around, and so here we go. We've just done some French fries. Now they're not golden brown all over the place because we just used the same tray that we had the pork chops on. Didn't use the rotating basket, so they probably would come out a little bit more even if we used that rotating basket, but they come up alright. They were done in 15 minutes at 200 and then another 4 or 5 minutes at, I think it was 4 minutes at 180, sorry. And this is what we've done our first time with the air fryer. We've got pork chops, We have French fries or chips, and just heated some leftovers. So we've got some Greek homemade pie there, spinach pie I think it is, some mushroom egg omelette, a slice of spam and an egg. So we just reheated that, and we're about to have some lunch. Thank you for watching. Take care everyone. Bye bye.